Good evening, children. How you all are doing? Fine. Very good to hear. Now, today I am going to teach you indirect proportion. I have already uploaded a video on that. This is just revision of that same topic. Okay? Indirect proportion. INDIRECT. Indirect proportion. I have written the topic name. Got it? Now, in indirect proportion. Direct proportion I have told you same. If it goes up, the other thing will also go up. If it comes down, both the things will come down. In indirect proportion, it is what? Opposite of that, obviously. So, if one thing goes up, the other thing will come down. Example. If there are 10 workers, okay, they are taking 2 hours, okay, number of hours. If there are 10 workers, they take 2 hours to paint a house. I made 5 hours. I took 5 workers to do the same task, painting the same house. How much will they take? How much time will the workers take to paint a house? Okay. Now suppose what I told, there is a house. Okay. I have taken 10 workers to paint that house and the 10 workers took 2 hours. Now I have the same house if suppose I am repainting it, okay, after it dried. 5 workers I have implemented there to do the task. Then how much time will they take? How you will find the same way? 10 workers. Obviously, first tell me what will happen if I will give less workers to do the task. Will the time increase or decrease? The time will increase. Remember that. When the workers are reduced, the time will increase. In direct proportion, when the quantity comes down, the price will come down. But in indirect, it is not like that. Remember that. When the time or the quantity comes down, the other thing which is related to that will increase. Okay. Now, 10 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon x. In direct, we have did cross multiplication, but here you will do like this multiplication. That is 10 into 2 is equal to 5 into x. Then 10 twos are how much? 20 is equal to 5x. Then 20 divided by 5 is equal to x. 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 is equal to x. Got it? Now if I will take 5 workers to do the job, they will take how much hours? They will take 4 hours to paint the house. Clear? I have went very slowly so that you will understand it properly. And I have taken a very simple sum. What? 10 workers, they took 2 hours to paint a house. The same house has to be repainted. I have sent 5 workers to do the task. So how much time they will take? They will take 4 hours. Double of what? Got it? Indirect proportion. I will take one question from the textbook. Okay? It's very easy to understand. Keep your mind calm. Pay attention. Then you will understand it very well. Okay? Now, next question which I am going to take from the textbook is okay. See, the question is the stock of a grain in a government warehouse. I will write it. The stock of grain, okay, in government warehouse lasts for 30 days. Okay, government keeps the stock and that too for how much? For 4,000 people. How many days will The question is, how many days will it last for 6,000 people? Okay. Now suppose what they have given, number of days 30. How many people's the food is sufficient? 4,000 people. Okay. Now how many days the food will suffice if the people's is increased to 6,000? So what we have taken? Days. How many days? 30 days. People how much? 4,000. Here how many days? I don't know. People how much? 6,000. Okay. Now I have made the box. Days 30. I don't know for 6,000. For example, 4,000 people are there. That people has increased to 6,000. Now 30 days, if it was for 4,000 people, now when people is increased, then what will happen? The days will increase or decrease? What? The days will decrease, isn't it? Now when people is increasing, the days will decrease. Okay? That is indirect proportion. It will go in opposite manner. Now the same way, how I will write this? 30 multiplied by, as it is I will write. Now 30, before I used to write like this, 30 upon x and 4,000 upon 6,000. Now how I will write? 30 upon 4,000, this, okay, is equal to x upon 6,000. Got it? Now cross multiply. I am really very sorry. You have to write as it is. I taught you the other technique. Okay, don't get confused. 30 upon x, write as it is. 4,000 upon 6,000. Okay, write as it is. Don't get confused, because the other way if I will teach, you will get confused. Go for one method only. The same thing I have written as it is. Then we will not cross multiply. We will multiply in the same manner. 30 into 4,000 is equal to x into 6,000. Okay. Now 30 into 4,000 upon 6,000 I am bringing here is equal to x. Now this 3 0 cancel, this 3 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6 5s are. So what is the answer? 5 4s are 20. Got it? So this, if the people is increased to 6,000, what will happen? The days will get reduced. The days will become 20. Okay? The grains will reduce to 20 days. It will be sufficient for only 20 days. Got it? What I did? I have written the people 4,000 upon 4,000 people. They have increased to 6,000. The days from 30 it will get decreased to 20 days. I have written in this box form. I am writing the fractions as it is. Then instead of doing cross multiplication in direct proportion, I am solving here in direct proportion. So we will multiply in this manner. 30 into 4,000, x is equal to 6 into, x into 6,000. Then 30 multiplied by 4,000 divided by that 6,000 I have brought this way. So x is equal to 20. Very simple to understand. Good. Any doubts? No? Be calm and just go through it. Okay? Now solve this. Got it? What you will do? You will study, practice. Maths you have to practice a lot. Fine? Solve all other sums also. Okay? Now till that time, take care of yourself. Bye.